50-50. Die program wat omgee vir die mens en die natuur.
Goeienaand en baie welkom by 'n spesiale uitgawe van 50-50.
50-50 impliseer die balans tussen die mens en sy omgewing.
Kom ons blaas vanaand die rookskerm so 'n bietjie weg en kyk wat regtig daar aan die gang is.
Vir 3 dekades lank al maak 50-50 Suid-Afrikaners bewus van natuurlewe, bewaring en die omgewing. Hierdie seisoen bring ons hulde en sê ons dankie aan julle wat gehelp het om die 50-50 vlam vir 30 jaar aan die brand te hou.
Wow, I'm sure that brings back a lot of memories for many of our viewers, but someone who can most certainly give us some insight on the early days of 50-50, 30 years ago, is the first ever presenter of the program, Andre Walters. Hi, Andre, welcome to 50-50.
It's a great pleasure to be here.
Doesn't that bring back so many memories for you?
Lifting the lid on 30 years of experiences. Yes, it does, Tox.
I just want to start with the very first shoot and the very first episode and that very first program. Hoe was dit?
It was very strange. They said to us in the beginning, and you know, we only started with a 20-minute show, and they said to us, 20 minutes on the environment? Do you think you can sustain it? And we said, yes, we think we can sustain it. En baie gou het ons 'n halfuur geword en toe 'n uur, en het ons geskuif in die week rond en toe uiteindelik op Sondagaande beland. But it was exhilarating to think that I was going to deal with the one passion of my life, which is the environment. It started hunke-punke, I must tell you. Ons was nie maklik geweest nie. Dani van der Walt and Atti Gerber were the directors, the originators. They came up with the title 50-50, and I presented by myself. I didn't have a co-presenter like you have now in James and so on.
Nou, ek's baie seker dat jy het baie stories oor die ervarings wat jy op die program gehad het.
I remember being almost bitten, savaged by a python, an African python. I know the python is an endangered creature, but so am I, you know. And that day was pretty close. We were in Zambia. I was sitting there, and if I may demonstrate, you're now the guy I'm interviewing,
Okay,
all right?
I'm the guy.
And he's now holding the python, and I tend to speak with my hands. So I'm going, you know, and this python that you've got here, you know, blah, blah, blah. What I don't notice is this guy is starting to relax now, you know, and he's relaxing his hold on the python. So, and I go, and this python, and the python comes for me. So, you know, to be bitten by a python, that's serious. That's very serious. And we're sitting in the Zambian bush.
Doesn't that injure? Whoops, it almost went for me, huh? But I'm quite impressed that I can be faster than a python.
Then I was once charged by an enraged bull elephant.
And?
Well, fortunately, it turned out to be only 2 months old.
Shut up, Moto.
Come on.
Andre, as ek net kan aansluit by Tox, hoekom is 50-50 so 'n belangrike program?
Jy weet, 50-50 is nie 'n gitaar met net een snaar nie. Hy raak baie vlakke van die mens se bestaan. Dis hoekom ons dit 50-50 genoem het. Halfte mens en halfte natuur. En 50-50 spreek tot dit wat innerlik eg is in ons almal. Of ons dit nou wil weet of nie, ons is almal natuurmense, want ons is van die natuur. Ons mag miskien in ons stede vergeet het dat ons 'n koneksie met die natuur het. Maar 50-50 maak daardie koneksie weer wakker in ons. Nie net dit nie, van die ander snare wat hy speel is om mense bewus te maak van die bedreiging van ons omgewing. En hy doen dit op 'n verantwoordelike manier. Hy doen dit op 'n manier wat nie sensasioneel is nie. Ons sien te veel sensasionalisme vandag in omgewingsverslaggewing. Maar 50-50 het nog altyd sy voete 4 spoor vas op die aarde gehad. En ons reik na die hemel van daardie basis.
Baie dankie. Wat 'n ongelooflike geleentheid om jou hier by ons op die bank te hê.
Wonderlike voorreg.
Die nuwe era en die ou era.
Ja, nou nie te oud nie, hoor. Ek mag oud wees, maar ek is nog nie koud nie.